Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Metamask installed, wallet unlocked, and your core RPC details at hand. Open Metamask and click the network selector. Choose Custom RPC to begin. Enter the core RPC URL, chain ID, and currency symbol precisely, because small typos block the connection. Once done, give the network a clear name so you can identify it quickly. Make sure to double-check values against a trusted source to avoid misconfiguration and potential token loss. Next, you complete the configuration fields and save them. This creates the core network in Metamask. After saving, switch to that network immediately to load chain settings and confirm the status. If you expect specific tokens, click Import Tokens, paste the token contract address, and add each token to display balances. Make sure to confirm token decimals and symbol. If you plan to interact with dApps, authorize account permissions selectively and understand that approving contracts grant spending rights, so remain cautious. Finally, verify the connection by viewing balances or sending a small test transaction. This confirms the RPC and gas settings work. If confirmations stall, open Metamask settings and try resetting the account or removing and re-adding the custom RPC to clear stale data. Make sure your RPC provider is up. Contact support or switch endpoints if necessary. One key troubleshooting tip: if transaction errors persist, copy the error. Check chain ID and non-C, and retry with a slightly higher gas price to overcome temporary congestion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.